Hi, in this presentation we will consider the description of the array sorting coursework assignment. After watching this presentation, I expect that you will be able to explain the functional requirements of the proposed coursework, to identify the main design tasks, and finally to set up a plan for the development work. I will start by the context, present an overview on the requirements of this assignment, and then identify the main tasks that you have ahead. Let's then begin by the context. Array sorting is a very well-known problem and has been studied many times. You will easily find many publications addressing possible solutions either in software or in hardware. The Canvas page providing access to this presentation includes links to the sources indicated in this slide, and I recommend you to do your own small survey for additional sources of information and implementation examples. Let's now move on to the overview and requirements. What you are being asked to do is very easy to describe. You start from an unordered array of 8-bit unsigned numbers stored in RAM and should reorder them by increasing magnitude and store the ordered array in another RAM block of the same size. What tasks do you have ahead? Well, briefly speaking, you will have to start by selecting or creating an algorithm that you consider appropriate for this purpose. Then you should provide two implementations of your algorithm, one in hardware using VHDL and the other one in software using C. Both implementations should be demonstrated in the Zibo Z710 board. And finally, you should compare cost and performance of the two implementations. You may consider to start by creating a technology-independent, high-level description of your algorithm, and then split the group to develop the hardware and software implementations in parallel. Don't forget to define a calendar of milestones and to meet up frequently to discuss progress and compare developments. And that's all. Thanks for your attention.